Do you feel more alert? Or something funny? Do you feel something funny at the tip of your tongue? What do you feel? So that mudra is called as Khechari. Khechari means I want to transit from this to that. There's one more opposite of that. Bhuchari. Bhu means earth. So you are looking, make your hands like this. Keep it in front. And look at this last part of this, or tip of the little finger. And keep, so your eye gaze is looking at this tip of finger and you leave, but keep the eye gaze at the point of looking downwards towards the earth. He is called as Bhuchari. You can win over this world's more of things by Bhuchari. So usually I don't advise to practice anything, but for your facial beauty, reducing the wrinkles, just simply do like this when you are sitting for meditation. Do this. When you are walking, not talking, do this. When you are cooking something, do this. So there will be synchrony of all the chakras, and the vibrations what you create, food also changes in its taste. If you are cooking some food for your child, you bring the kindness in your heart and loving mother's emotion and do this and then cook. You really feel the change. I don't know why I ate so much food today. A child will tell you, and you know why it happens. Okay, try this, experiment with this. So just touching this, more yogis who are too much advanced into this, some 20 years, 30 years, 40 years of practice of different postures and yoga techniques, all those techniques, whatever you say, Hatha Yoga, Patanjali Yoga. It is just an initial, it is like you are into a very huge palace and you are looking at the entry door of the palace and you say, a very beautiful door and there are buttons and all those. So that is your all yoga, whatever you do to the world. So you are not entered much inside. It means that. So this kind of things will help you to get connected with the source of creation, source of unification, source of those invisible eye, source of that secret mission. It will make you get connected with that. If you are connected with that, for a physical body, all the nervous systems will be very active and it preserves more energy. Preserves more energy, aging will be reduced. Skin age will be reduced. Any direction. This way, just hold like that. Keep doing this.
They do massage regularly. They use butter to massage their tongue. And there are people who can touch the tongue to their forehead. And they roll and keep it inside.
So cutting off this to take the tongue as deep as possible. And once they say it's amruta. Amruta is nectar. Nectar of divine consciousness comes in you. Then you don't feel like eating much, but still you feel very active. You don't feel like drinking much, still you feel very active. So have an internet with you, Google, you go back to home, you read about this man. Prahlad Jani or something like that. He's 84 years. Prahlad Jani. He will be wearing Indian women's dress and he is a man. He says, I got an initiation from goddess Durga when he was doing this technique and meditating. And past 24 years he did not eat, he did not drink anymore. He don't. 24 years, no water.
I have the video. I can send you. I have the video.
No water, no food. More than 300 medical doctors have done a test on this. In Bangalore, they have done a test on him. There is a DRDO, Defense Academy, where there are different scientists. They have done making him stay in a room where everywhere there is a camera. Even if he is peeing and going for toilet, is a camera where he cannot eat a single drop of a grain. For 15 days to 35 days, research protocol shows that he could not eat anything, but still all the cardiac functions, digestive functions, electrical activities of the heart, electrical EEG, electrical activities of the brain is intact, normal, and functioning still better than normal people. So there might be something beyond our cognition. So that's what they want to create is this. But this is not possible by just showing something to the world. But it is possible. Showing is an indication. It will enhance the energy. But it is negating the mind is the one. You destroy the knowledge, and then everything will be one. So all the philosophies of the world is a barrier of your mind to know the real truth. All the religious, ritualistic beliefs are the barrier for your mind to know the truth, because you are accepting. I know, I know is the blockage from the knowing of the real. So that's what your secret missions, all the logic, everything goes. This. It is in alignment with time and space. It is just nothing but yoga, nothing else. It will get easy. See, I did not know this about you, but I can still correlate and you can feel exactly the same. So, with this we'll wind up the sessions with one Om, 3 Shanti mantras, and after that if you have time you can ask questions. Now, Namaskaram. One Om. Now you know Om is God, which you can accept beyond religion of Hinduism. 3 Shanti mantras are for the physical plane, astral plane, and spiritual plane of any religion. So don't get scared to say Shanti, Om Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Very much for creating this space and time wherein our all energies together contribute to discuss something very profound which I never expected I will do this. Okay. It is not just one person's knowledge is there at the basic physical level. I might have read something, but it is the way it has come out and the way it has questions have come out. It is all energies of all the people, the arrangement of the space and time and their time. Their mother fed me some food, so food has given me some energy. Then it gave me some confidence that okay, you can still talk. And so it's all collective energy. So that's one thing which our secret society wants. Union, unification, universal coherence. Okay. Any questions you want to ask? You can ask all your people.
No, thank you very much.
Thank you. You gained something? You gained something?
Okay.
You gain some knowledge.
Yeah.
For your class.
I like a lot to allow about the mudras.
So in the physical teaching, you can use simple mudras. If somebody is very disturbed, you can use some mudras and still do some asanas. Combine.
I like to about my daughter. Yeah, you do.
For your daughter?
Yeah, she's so
Hold your-
tiny and skinny.
Hold your, so one more mudra. Hold your index finger. Touch the tip of middle finger, tip of ring finger, and keep the little finger straight. So it is called as Hridaya mudra, heart, Hridaya. Because you're not innocent. See, you are analyzing with your mind and you say that you want something for the child to do. When you do for the sake of child, it might work a little bit. When the child does innocently, it usually works, but without doing also it works. So this is a representative of Anahata chakra, heart chakra. So balance of upper three and lower three. This will help her much more better.
So it will help her.
It will help her
What?
for gaining weight, balancing mind. It is balance. If she, not gaining too much of weight, not losing too much of it. So it's a perfect balance. So you can make her do some breathing exercises as if blowing birthday candle. Keep 5 candles little distance and make her sit. Take breathing in from the nose, breathing out like this. Make her blow 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 4 candle, 5 candle. One morning. It's like a fun. Children enjoy fire like anything.
Yeah.
So breathing in from the nose, breathing out from the mouth. So let this be a breathing and holding like this. Just say that this will give you more energy for your body button to blow the candle. So hold like this. Same sitting posture, same distance of the candle. Increase the number of candles. Maybe first 1 month you can use some 5 candles. So second, put 1 more. Say that do you have more lung capacity to blow the candle, and let's see. Increase to 10. Just simple to create a curiosity. It will increase the focusing ability. So you can focus well. Attention span increases. Your memory increases. Memory retention increases. You are teaching something in the form of play. It increases. And later point, after maybe 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, you see the difference by yourself. Make her move a little bit back from the sitting posture, and the candle, let it be there. So distance increases, the blowing capacity increases, lung capacity increases. Lung capacity increases, metabolic activity changes. Metabolic activity changes, start correcting the body. So not just one mudra, you can use multiple.
And 1 time a day for a year?
One time a day.
For 1 year.
Yeah. If you wish, or you just make her just before she studies, blow 1, 2 candles kept there. It will increase your lung capacity and it will make you read well and you remember well. Just tell her, suggest her brain, so it accepts very easily. Anything else? So while getting up, come back to the physical plane. There is a cloud, something.
Thank you very much.
I have a lazy daughter. I have a very lazy daughter.
I am very much lazy. Very lazy.
Oh, you mean
I am very lazy.
overrated? Overrated. Not
I am very lazy man.
lazy, foul. I mean,
He beats it.
lazy.
He means it.
1 weight is good, unless she is gaining more body weight. Is she gaining body weight?
She's very tall
Oh.
and slim, nice shape, but you see there's no strength inside, and she's very lazy. She has
But her
no fire.
sensitivity is very high. High sensitivity, she can understand very fast.
very
Ah.
much.
So she is creating little imbalance. More mind workup
Yes.
is there. So body she doesn't feel like working. So you can make her breathing techniques. 4-4-4 breathing techniques.
Okay.
4-4-4. 20 morning, 20 evening. Continue for 3.
So if she's lazy, she wouldn't do that. The reason is not to be lazy, not to do this. Because it comes from me. Thing is between mother and daughter.
How old is she?
But she is not lazy, she is using more of mind capacity. Energy expenditure is there happening more. So you have to reduce. You change her food wherein you induce more sleep for some days. So use more milk contents or something which makes her sleepy. Don't give her coffee and other things more often to make her active. Not be active.
No, I don't do.
Any alkaline pH, fresh vegetable,
Yeah.
green leafy vegetable, the pH of the food content is in sync with the body. It will enhance her, it reduces her thoughts and enhances body capacity. Alkaline food, readable.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go slow.
Be careful.
Decreasing blood pressure is also negotiable. Somebody is having you're having low blood.
Does kids yoga take place today? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I tried to convince him, but today I
And it's
forced him.
aerial yoga, you come, this is different.
Oh,
You like, enjoy.
yeah. Okay, you do aerial yoga.
Yes. Which is fueled by the fire.
Oh, good.
If somebody
I hope you will like
tells
that.
me,
I think so.
I get so much angry that I keep on thinking use to fire. It gives me fire. They use it also for balance. Balance.
Muscle man. Muscle man.
It's also for reducing the tiredness. Reduce tiredness, not just in the air or you. Eagle blow. And this you can do sound. You blow this in the mouth. It kills all the bacteria.
I think you must taste how it can keep warm.
Kills the bacteria. It is disinfectant. But it's a little bit comfortable. So this.
Hey, that's it.
Kommst du mit? Wollen wir was essen zu Hause?
Wie weit ist das von hier?
20 Minuten. 25 Minuten.
Okay.
Wir können zusammenfahren. Du fährst hinter mir her, ich bin schnell mit dem Roller. Wie spät ist denn
Ciao.